If you want to record phone calls on POCO F8 Pro or POCO F8 Ultra, then here's what you can do. So first, what you can do is check if you have a built-in option. In some countries or regions, in some cases, we can find the built-in option, which is found in the call menu in here. And then in this call menu, you should be able to simply find that option, whether it is in here in more or whether it is somewhere else in here in the call menu. In my case, unfortunately, this option is not available. I do not have the built-in option. So what we can do instead is we can use a third-party app that allows us to start recording calls. So we're gonna go to the Play Store. Let's open the Play Store. And in here we can use search and we can type something like call recorder or something like that. Then you should be able to find a bunch of different apps that allow us to record phone calls. In my case, I'm gonna use this one, the Call Recorder Cube ACR. I'm gonna show you how to set it up. There we go. And of course, feel free to try any other app in case in case you don't like this one or it doesn't work for you or something. So let's open it. And in this case, we're gonna go next. And then we're gonna grant permissions. We need to grant some permissions for the app. There we go. We can add Cube to auto start so that it can always work. There we go. We can turn it on. And let's go back. After that, we can also disable power optimization. So let's tap OK. And over here, we can set to no restrictions. There we go. Let's press OK again. I'm not sure why it tried to change that, but now it's working just fine. All right, let's disable the geotagging. Let's press OK, got it. We can disable this premium offer, we don't need it. And there is also a helper, so additional app that can help the main app run properly. We're gonna install the helper. In this case, we can use download helper APK. And let's download anyway. Let's use download anyway option. And if you do so, if you try to install the app like this, if you try to download and then install it, you might see for example, an information that you try to install an unknown app, so you'll need to grant the permission for the browser to install apps from unknown sources. So let's choose Cube ACL helper. Let's install the helper over here, and then let's open the app. And we need to set it up as well. Let's grant permissions. There we go. Now in here we need to tap on go to accessibility and then choose downloaded apps. And then we need to tap on Cube ACR app connector. You will see this message that app was denied access, and this is fine. This is something that we need to see. And let's close this and let's go back. Then we're gonna go to apps. And in here we need to find the Cube ACR helper. Then in here tap on more at the bottom and choose allow restricted settings and verify yourself. In my case, I'm just gonna use the pin code. There we go. And after that, we're gonna go back. And once again, go to accessibility, downloaded apps. This time we can choose the app connector and we need to turn it on. Select that you are aware of possible risks. There we go. And after 10 seconds, you can press the red OK button. All right. And we can also add the helper to the auto start as well. There we go. Press OK to disable restrictions. And we can go to the main app. So the app is pretty much set up, but over here in the upper left corner we can tap on these three lines in order to make sure that a recording is enabled. You can also find some additional settings that you might want to check just in case. And the app allows you to automatically record your calls. So whenever you start a call, so let me actually call myself, there we go. So whenever you start the call, after a couple of seconds, you will see that the app is actually running in the background and it is recording. And after you are done with your recording, you can of course go to the app and you can listen to the recording. In case the recording is not too clear, so if you go open the app and if you find the recording over here, I'm not sure why the recording actually didn't appear in here, but if you happen to have your recording in here and if you play it, and the quality is not so great, then in that case you might need to use the loudspeaker to make sure that the caller is, you can actually hear the caller on the recording. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.